Hello students, I, Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So students, today we will start the first chapter. Yes, we will start the first chapter, that is nouns. So before we start the chapter, there is a thing, parts of speech in your book. So we will discuss it. Parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech. So there are how many parts of speech? 8. How many? 8. So first we will discuss. So let us discuss what are their names. Number 1, noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So first we will discuss noun. Your first chapter is noun. So we will know what a noun is. See, turn to page number 8. Your first chapter, that is nouns. So let us read the picture. Swati is telling her mother what she wants for her birthday. So this is a conversation between Swati and her mother. So let us read it. Mother says, "What would you like to have for your birthday, Swati?" So mother is asking that what will you like for your birthday? What present do you want? So what Swati replies? I would like to have a nice top, a lovely skirt, a cute puppy and a pretty doll. So many things she wants. So now we will discuss what are nouns from this picture. Okay. So you can see top. It is marked. You see the red ones which are marked in this conversation, that are nouns. Skirt, then puppy, and another one is doll. So how many nouns do we get? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now let us discuss what is a noun. What is the definition of noun? So a noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal or a thing. So it is a name of any person, a place, an animal or a thing. Okay. So what are the examples? You see examples over here. Ritesh, boy, pencil, kitchen, dog, Anamika, London, city. So all these are examples of what? There are examples of nouns. See, Ritesh, it is the name of a person. Boy, again it is a person. Pencil, it is a thing. Kitchen, what is a kitchen? It is a place. Dog, dog is what? An animal. Again, Anamika is the name of a person. London is the name of a place. City is also place. So we will read this also. Action words cannot be nouns. So action words like going, doing, these are action words and they cannot be noun. Similarly, nouns cannot be action words. As action words cannot be noun, similarly nouns will also not be action words. Example, ask is not a noun. So ask, it is what? You're asking someone. Ask means an action word. Boy is not an action word. Similarly, boy is what? Boy is a noun. So it is not an action word. See? And action words cannot be noun and a noun cannot be an action word. So this was for the explanation of the chapter. So what do we came to know? That a noun is the name of a person. Noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal or a thing. So this was the definition of noun. Now let us move forward. Can you identify the nouns in these columns? Let us identify what are the nouns. See, in person, place, animal and thing. You have to identify the nouns from this box and write it down. Okay. So we will start with the person. Person. In this column, what is which one is a person? So boy. You see, boy. In this column again, which is a person? Queen. In this column, it will be girl. And in this column, it will be woman. So you see, you got 4 names of person. Now let us move on to place. Again we will see this column. See, place, boy, zebra, Goa or ring. So boy is in the person column. Now what it will be? Goa. Goa is the name of a place. Next in this, lion, India, lace, queen. Queen already we got. So what will be the answer? India. India is the name of a place. Next, city, girl, frog, vase. So girl already we got. So what will be the name of a place? City. Next from this column, ball, cat, stadium, woman we already got. So stadium is a place. You go and watch cricket, isn't it? In a stadium. Yes. So stadium is the answer for place. Now let us move on to animals. So in this, boy we already got, Goa we already got. So zebra and ring. So which one is animal? Zebra. And this, lion, India, lace, queen, India and queen we already got. So lion. Lion is a animal. Is an animal. See. In this, city, girl, frog or vase. Frog. And in this, ball, cat, stadium, woman. So cat. Cat is an animal. Now things. So which are the left outs over here? Ring. These are the name of things. In this, lace. Vase. Vase is a thing in which we keep flowers for decoration. And in this, ball. Ball is used when we play. You see, we play with a ball. Bat ball. So you got this for the nouns. In this, you have to fill the nouns in the correct column. Okay, let us move on to the next thing. Cross out the word in each row that is not a noun. So you have to cross out which is not a noun. So we have learned that an action word cannot be noun. So we learned that an action word cannot be noun. So in this we will see ship, milk, tree, orange, walk. So ship is a thing, milk again it's a thing, tree is a thing, orange it's the name of a fruit, it's a thing. Then walk. Walk is an action word. So you have to cross it. Give, goat, apple, ticket, ball. So goat is an animal, apple is a fruit, ticket is a thing, ball is also a thing. So give. Give is the cross out. Next, flag, potato, climb, bench, monkey. So flag is a thing, potato is also a thing, climb, it is an action word. So we will cancel it out. Now slow, egg, book, nose, pencil. So egg is a thing, book again it is a thing, nose is a thing, pencil is also a thing. So slow. Slow is an action word. So we will cancel it out. So moving further, in this you have to match the following. Okay, one has been done for you. You can see one is done. See, a person who builds objects of wood. So what is that person called? It is called a carpenter. You see, number C is a carpenter. Similarly, a person who treats us when we are ill. So when we are ill, who treats us? A doctor. A person who stitches our clothes. So who stitches our clothes? A tailor. A person who installs and repairs piping. So who repairs our piping? A plumber. Next, a person who mends our shoes. So who mends our shoes? A cobbler. A person who sells flowers. Who sells flower? A florist. So this all I have done for you, and I would request you to please revise it, because for your weekly test I will be giving the questions from this. So I request you, it's a humble request, that you revise it, you learn it, and do not cheat while solving the test paper. That's all for today's class. In the next class we will be moving to chapter 2, that is common noun and proper noun. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.